So first part, while closing the eyes, Yoga Sankalpa Chetana, close your eyes with the very thought of innovation, There is no hurry, relax, deep breathing, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you are doing this activity, then you have to do this activity. Means you have to be in this very moment. Yes, try to be in this very moment. As I said earlier, there are only two options. Either conquer it or skip it. And according to Bhagavad Gita, escapists are real sinners. So we have to conquer. If we are in this process, we just have to continue with this process. Don't let your mind wander here and there. Simply pick that mind and focus into this particular activities. Close your eyes, sitting in cross-legged seated posture, breathe normally. Now come in a prayer posture, raise your both hands and place your palms on each other at the center of your heart, over the Anahata chakra in prayer pose. Perfect. Breathe normally, make yourself relax, there is no hurry. Relax, relax. First part, inhale, hold, interlock the fingers, place your hands on each other while counting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, relax, breathe normally. If you think that I can only hold my breath up to 4 seconds or 5 seconds, it's absolutely fine. Understand your body, understand your capacity. Next part, just pulling the hands towards opposite direction while holding the breath outside, and at the same time concomitantly think about the innovation. Say to your mind that innovation is important for me. Inevitably, we all are in innovation. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are the seekers. In necessity, we take the support of innovation. In compassion, we take the support of innovation. In blissfulness, in comfort zone, even we take the support of innovation. Because in comfort zone, music creates. When our body is fulfilled, when our mind is fulfilled, then we think about the art, then we think about the science. So innovation happens. Inevitably, we are in the innovation, knowingly or unknowingly. Second part, yes, raise your both hands. In prayer pose again, prayer pose, inhale. Now interlock, make your finger lock. Yes, make a finger lock while inhaling. Yes, now exhale through nostrils, exhale, hold the breath outside, pull your hands towards opposite direction while holding the breath outside, thinking about the innovation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, relax, breathe normally, come in prayer pose. Now the same activity, first heart circle and second heart circle, we have to perform in a continuous manner. Same activity in a continuous manner. Intention is important, our intention is pure, intensity is very important, and consistency is more important again. Ready? So start Yoga Sankalpa Chetana, the process of inculcating the very thought of innovation. So start, come in a prayer pose, perfect. Inhale, hold, interlock, press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold the breath, think about innovation, hold the breath, press your hands over each other, exhale, make this lock relax, make your body relaxed, breathe normally. Next part, come in prayer pose. Inhale, exhale, finger lock over the center of heart. Hold the breath outside. Think about Avishkar, innovation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Breathe normally. Come in prayer pose again. While closing the eyes, closed eyes are very important to save the energy and channelize it towards these all activities. Yes, around 70 to 80% of our energy we spend through our eyes. So save your energy, channelize it towards internal direction. Next part, gibberish pause dhyana yogi kriya. If you think that it triggers your laughter button, you can simply laugh, but while laughing you have to perform the activity. Chant or utter any sound, meaningless sound, babbling kind of work, just focusing over back of the mind, over the very process of innovation. And next part is we are doing catharsis of our mind, we are detoxifying the mind, and at the same time we are inculcating the very thought of innovation. Ready? So start for the gibberish. Forget about the logic, keep your logical part aside. If you think that in the beginning you have to laugh, then you can simply laugh and start the process. Raise your both hands, place it near to the mouth, just simply picking the words or sentence and throwing it outside, like we are throwing garbage thoughts from our mind towards outside, and through physical body we have to express that. Means psychosomatic. Through psycho we have to think, through mind we have to express. Ready? Gibberish pause, dhyana yogi kriya. When I say start, then you have to start. When I say stop, then you have to stop. In between, if you think that you have to laugh, then you can simply laugh. While closing the eyes, closed eyes are very important. Ready? So process of gibberish, just chanting and uttering meaningless sound. Forget about the meaning of it. Simply express the words. Ready? While closing the eyes, your time, start. Start. Yes, I said start. Now start. No, I again said start. Continue the process. Stop. Yes, this time you have to stop. Again start. Now start. No, start. Continue. Start. I said start. You can surely laugh. You can surely laugh. Focus over the mind. Slow down the process. Slow down the process. Slow down the process. Take your hands in Dhyan Mudra. You can surely laugh. Now stop completely. While closing the eyes, forget about the logical part. Innovation needs courage to stand alone. Innovation needs dive into the darkness. Innovation needs laughter and the joy of the life. According to Jesus, only children can enter into my God's paradise. So we need to back to the origin according to Patanjali. Prati Prasav. Become the child again. Don't seriousness be your master. Be your own master. Seriousness is just a tool to wander into the society according to particular circumstances. So laughter, joy, happiness is very important to flourish the life, to flourish the innovation. Sit silently, doing nothing, just trying to very thought of innovation. Think about innovation. Yes, innovation is important for you. Think about innovation. Think about innovation. You can surely laugh. Breathe normally. Breathe normally. There is no need of actually become the innovator. Yes, no need. But in necessity, someone always become innovator. In compassion, someone always become innovator. In the visionary mind, yes, if someone has a visionary mind, then innovation leads him or her towards innovatorship. Yes. So we all have seeking mind. We all sometimes in particular situations, problems or in necessity, that time we use our innovative mindset. So here we are just thinking about innovative mindset. If problems are new in front of you, then why we are taking borrowed answers to it? Why we are giving borrowed answers to every new questions? Yes, if questions are new, then we have to create new answers. For that we need innovative mindset. For that we need innovative mindset. Yes, there is no need to become innovator. In earlier sessions we have discussed about the detachment, we have discussed about the non-doership. So there is no need to become innovator, but simply developing the innovative mindset. In yogic culture, in yogic science, we call it as Vishishta Buddhi, special intelligence. Yes, we have to lead our special intelligence through innovation to make our life more fruitful, to lead our life towards hope, towards purpose. So they lead us towards more health, happiness and longevity. Last part, while closing the eyes, Padma Mudra Dhyanurja Yogi Kriya. So take your hands near to the heart center, near to the Anahat Chakra. Yes, last part, in prayer pose, yes. Make yourself comfortable. Keep your logical part aside. If you think that still laughter is coming to you, laughter is happening to you, you simply have to laugh. But while laughing, you have to continue with this last part. Padma Mudra Dhyanurja Yogi Kriya. Ready? Come in prayer pose, sitting on the chair or sitting in the chair comfortably or sitting on the mat comfortably in Sukhasana. Spinal cord straight. In prayer pose, breathe normally. Next part, try to create the gesture of your hand like a seed. Means you have to create the fist. Yes, you have to close your hands, make the fist and join your front directions on each other like imitating as a seed. Yes, over the center of heart. Keep your logical part aside. We are just imitating the nature, the process of nature, the process of whole cosmos, because whole cosmos is in motion, is in flux. Yes, so change is inevitable, but fruitful and gradual change and creative change is very important. So we have to lead our mindset towards creative intelligence, towards logical intelligence, and using these both we have to create our innovative mindset. First part, making a seed out of our hands. Yes, seed. Think about the innovation, think about the process of the plant, think about the process of the flower. First part, seed. Second part, sprout. Just raise your both thumbs outward. Just raise your both thumbs outward. Imitate like a sprouting process. Sprout. Third part, imitate like a plant. So come in a prayer pose, imitate like a plant. Forget about logic. Focus over this activity. Imitate like a plant. Next part, yes. Kali, bird. Yes. The earlier stage of flower. Try to create the bird. BUD. Try to create the bird. Yes. Now next part. Bird is now in the stage of flowering. See how flowering is happening. Yes. Open your hands. Open your fingers. Imitate like a flower. Imitate like a lotus. From seed to sprout. From sprout to plant. From plant to bird. from bird to flower. See, it's all happening. There is no creator, no innovator. Flower cannot say or plant cannot say, I am the innovator. It is just happening to it. So understand the process of happening. Now again, come in a prayer pose. Come in a prayer pose. Take your hands down. Take your hands down in Dhyan Mudra. Take your hands down in Dhyan Mudra. Think about innovation. Think about innovation. Think about innovation. Relax. 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 Relax.